Hello. Hi guys, Kuya D here again. Welcome back to my channel, and this time we'll be reviewing one of my toys. Okay, one of my toys, and this is the LED headlight. Yeah, bakit LED headlight? It's because this band you will be putting on your head. Okay, so this will be on your forehead. Yes. Okay. So what is the advantage of this? Okay. Unlike the regular flashlight where you hold, this one, you don't need to hold it. It's just, you know, on your forehead. And this one is strapped on your head. And your hands are basically free. So kung may kinakalikot ka sa car, you're trying to get something, or you're trying to fix something, at least both hands can move. Okay. Yeah. And this one is also adjustable siya. See, it can be adjusted. Now, this headlight, okay, this LED headlight has two light sources. Okay, the first one is this big circle. I think it's also a LED. It's using a LED bulb too, and at the same time, it has like a LED screen. Okay. Now, what are the purpose of these lights? Okay, so come on, guys. Let's take a tour. I'll show you. Okay, so makikita nyo guys, it's medyo dark here. Papunta sa living room namin. That's the living room, yung part na yun. So makita nyo, it's kind of pitch black. Okay, it's kind of pitch black. So we'll be testing the light, the flashlight. Okay, so first you cannot see anything, right? So I'm going to use the first light bulb, which is yung circle one, the bilog. There you go. Okay, makikita nyo guys na it it can reach a far place like the dining area. See, the dining area is lit up. Okay, maliwanag siya, and I can see the dining area from here. Okay, now um so example, if someone is in the dining area and for your safety you don't want to go near there, you can use this. You can use the first light bulb or the first flashlight, the circle one, because it has a farther reach. Okay, it has a farther reach. Now the other one, this one, yeah. The difference is it doesn't have that reach capability katulad nung bilog. Okay, the LED, you remember the greenish LED screen. So this one has, it can light up a wider, you see, it is kind of wider. It can light up a wider range. Okay, a certain, a certain radius. But if you can see, I can no longer see. Okay, there's not enough light on the dining area. Okay, so the difference is, if you want to look at something farther from you, use the circle headlight. Okay, if you are inside a room and you're looking for something, then this second light, the greenish one, the LED screen, is the one to use. Okay, it has again, it has a wider range kahit papaano, but when it comes to distance, it's not that far compared to the first one. So um Again, guys, if you're looking for something, kaya kunyari, looking for something or someone na malayo, you use this light. But if you're looking just, inside the room, maliit lang naman, ito na. Because this one lights the sides more compared to this. But this one lights farther. Kumbaga, you can see from a far away place. This one, again, for malapitan lang. And this one for malayo. So overall, guys, I like this toy or gadget na ano ko na bili ko. And I will recommend this for people who are usually nasa labas, okay? Hikers, campers, tingin ko nga kahit yung mga tanod, maganda to. Diba, imbis na hawak-hawak nila, for self-defense reasons, at least free yung dalawang hand nila. Diba? Watching, guys, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe or like, subscribe, and the notification icons. Again, the link will be posted in the description, um, together with the movie clips or video clips of the unboxing of it. Okay, so God bless, stay safe, stay healthy, everyone, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Give me, I need that. Andre, I need that.
Okay. Go! I want to. Wait. Cut. What is it? Yeah. Give me. What is it? How about the bunnies? Oh. Puppy. The pup one.